What's up, guys? We just got in from hunting and we were actually talking about it. We decided to do a video on 5 reasons why all of us switched to saddle hunting. It kind of went piece by piece. Josh was the first one to start, and then we all kind of just tried his stuff and it went from there. But we've found some major benefits in switching to saddle hunting, and so we're gonna go over a couple of them now.
First step of hunting out of a saddle is you're going to need a set of sticks. There's several great options out there. Then you'll need a platform. Also several options out there, a lot of great products out there on the market. And here's a standard saddle. The tree diaper. And also with the saddle, you have to have a lineman rope for climbing up the tree. And then once you get up to hook your bridge into, you got your tether.
Okay, so your first step when you're saddle hunting, you get to your tree, let's get your sticks. Get the first one set up. Most of them come with this buckle strap, and how these work is you get them as tight as you can, put pressure on it, and it bites down into the bark of the tree. So now you can step on that, go up a couple feet, and do your next step. So once you get up in the tree, you'll get your platform out. Same thing here, this is a buckle strap. You'll get it as tight as you can, cinch it down, put some weight on it with your foot, and then you'll cam the platform over. So now that this is cammed down, you put his weight here. When you're up in the stand, you can put your foot on this and actually step on it while it's up there, and then once this cams down, it's locked in and it will not move. And these are made so that, which Andrew will demonstrate, you can stand on the sides and everything. So the biggest thing with really any climbing method is you always need to be attached to the tree, no matter what. So this right here makes it really easy. It's a lineman rope. Wrap it around the tree. It hooks right here to the saddle. On the other end, it's the exact same loop. So now he's completely around the tree. So this makes it, once you get up here, specifically when you're hanging stuff, your sticks and your platform, now you can be hands-free. So now you can lean back, you're not using your hands. This thing is rated for 5,000 plus pounds. So now when he's attaching his next stick, he doesn't have to worry about holding onto the tree. He's attached on both sides, completely all the way around. And he's completely hands-free. He's able to focus on just getting the stick attached properly. And now he's ready to go. So now once he gets to the point of where he has his platform set, he's on his last step. We'll say this is the last one. And he's got this platform over here. He cammed it down, he stepped on it, cammed it down, it's ready to go. He's still attached to the tree from the lineman rope. So what he's going to do is he's going to move from the step to the platform, still attached to the tree. He never is not attached from the tree. And then now he's going to get his tether. Okay, so he cinched that down. It's ready to go. This right here on the saddles is called a saddle bridge. That's what hooks into your tether from the tree. So right up here that's what is considered a tether. It will tether to the bridge, to your saddle, and then now you can take your lineman rope off. And then with this bridge and the tether working together, you have a bunch of options as far as how high you want the tether, whether you want to stand completely straight up, whether you want to lean back. Some people sit down the majority of the time, but you can adjust the tether. And then also some bridges, this one does not, but some bridges have some adjustability in the actual bridge itself, so you can get comfortable. And then the reason number 1 why we all switched to saddle hunting is the shootability. With these saddle setups, you can literally shoot basically 360 degrees if you're willing to move that far, all the way around. You don't have to worry about which way the deer is going to come in. You can hide behind the tree. You can stand on different positions of the platform. It's very, very easy to shoot out of. You can get up against the tree and shoot up high. You can basically lay down and shoot. So the shootability from the saddle setup is reason one why we all switched to saddle hunting.
Reason number two why we switched to saddles is the accessibility. This versus a climber stand, like if you're hunting public, you know, if you're hunting in a climber before, you're always spending 20 minutes looking for a perfect straight tree, no limbs to get up in. These right here, you can strap your steps around any tree. It could be leaning, it could have limbs all over it. It doesn't matter, you can get in any tree you want, which makes it a lot easier for picking out your spot. Also, the platforms all have this adjustable camber screw, so you can change the angle of your platform. Your tree's leaning a little bit.
Reason number three why we switched to saddle hunting is the packability. For example, these sticks, 4 of these sticks weigh 6 pounds. So the packability of all of the equipment, your bow, your pack, like with this plateau pack from Trophy Line, it actually hauls all of your equipment on your back. It distinguishes the weight evenly so that your back's not hurting, your shoulders aren't hurting, you can get to where you want to go. And it's perfect for public land hunters, but also people that hunt private that kind of just want to jump around. So that's reason number three.
So reason number four would be double sets. All of us, we film our hunts. So to be able to get a camera guy and the shooter in the same tree or a fork tree or whatever, it makes it really good, and we're very mobile for that. The cameraman is just as mobile on the saddle as the shooter is. So that's another big benefit. Reason number five would be the speed of setup. You could, once you get a little bit of practice in and you've done it a few times, you could switch sets and get up and down out of a tree in as fast as 6-7 minutes. And that's a big benefit on public land as well.
Okay, so there's our 5 reasons, or 5 main reasons why we switched to saddle hunting. Saddle hunting is definitely not for everybody, but we think that if you're hunting public land, if you want to jump from spot to spot and do it quick and efficient, saddle hunting is definitely the answer. So we're gonna make more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. I know it's very cliche, but it really does help our channel a lot. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.